Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure iRobot clean base notifications with Google Home. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure iRobot clean base notifications with Google Home, start by ensuring your iRobot Home app is installed on your smartphone. Open the iRobot Home app and log into your account. Make sure your iRobot vacuum is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Next, open the Google Home app on your phone. Tap on the plus icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select Setup Device from the menu options. Choose Works with Google to find compatible devices. In the search bar, type iRobot and select the iRobot integration. Log into your iRobot account to link it to Google Home. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the linking process. Once linked, you can customize your notification settings in the iRobot Home app. Return to the Google Home app and tap on the Home tab at the bottom. Find your iRobot device listed under your available devices. Tap on it to open the device settings. Enable any notification options available to receive updates from your clean base. Now, head to the Google Assistant settings in the Google Home app. Tap on Notifications and ensure they're enabled for your iRobot clean base. You have successfully configured the notifications. Ask Google Assistant to show your iRobot status using voice commands. Test the system by saying, "Hey Google, tell me about my iRobot." Your notifications should now work seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.